Good morning, students. Happy Monday and happy Mad Week and happy Literature Circles Week. We are beginning this Literature Circles today, so get ready for that and you're going to get your book, so be excited. The homework for this week, you're going to be reading 25 minutes every day. You are going to have, instead of portfolio paragraphs, you're going to have a scrapbook assignment. We are going to go over this in class, but if you need to look at it, again, it is linked right here. This is going to be due every Monday, but in our case, we don't have school on Monday, so it'll be due Tuesday, March 3rd. You also need to make sure that your reading expectations document is up to date because we want you to be tracking your pages read and setting goals and making sure you're tracking yourself. So please, please, please do that. We are not kidding you. First thing we're going to do is about half of class, we're going to be doing some stations. So one of those stations will be going over the test questions from Thursday and Friday and kind of going over those answers. The second part is going to be speaking and listening time with Mrs. Schumann or Mrs. Pomager, if you haven't done that yet. And then the last is going to be win time. And you will be able to check email and grades and make a plan to complete any undone work. And then if you have nothing undone, you can do IR time. After our stations are done, we are going to have our Literature Circles introduction. So you are going to be getting your books at some point, but we're first going to go over our introduction PowerPoint, which tells you what our expectations are for this unit, and we're going to go over what the scrapbook project is. And then finally, we're going to be potentially introducing some background information about Literature Circles. Most likely this won't happen until tomorrow, but you have access to this PowerPoint if you want to start previewing any of that information. I just want to point out a few things. If you ever need help with annotations, here is a link to get a little bit of help with that so if you're at home and you're like reading away and you're supposed to be annotating and you don't remember exactly what you're annotating for, please feel free to click on this link. Other than that, have a great day and happy Monday.